We all have intentions on what we want, what we're doing, and everything in our lives. We all have an intention. When you ask, not just the universe, but when you ask just in general, you're asking for something, or maybe you're asking someone for something, whatever that might be, we have an intention. The thing is, quantum physics is showing us through different brain scans and different synopsis for that a lot of people aren't firing and wiring in the part of the brain of the subconscious mind that will actually get out what they are intending to have manifest or intending to have happen. So when you're asking with intention, are you setting yourself up to not receive it? Are you setting yourself up with the emotion and the feeling of, well, maybe I will get this, maybe I won't, maybe this will happen for me, maybe it's not going to happen. So when you ask, and I mean with a definite knowing intention of what it is you want, and again, this is quantum physics, explains all of this in detail of how we are using this part of our mind, our brain, our subconscious, conscious, body's unconscious, to manifest, to get what we want, to attract what we want. So when you think most, what are you thinking most of? And not just the fly-by-night thoughts. You know, we have hundreds of thousands of thoughts going through our minds every day. The thing is, most of those thoughts are repetitive. They will be the same thoughts we think every single day. So the key here is quantum physics, of course, is if you're not changing your thought pattern, if you're not changing the emotions you have attached to those thoughts, if you're not changing that to make it benefit you, then you're going to see yourself on a hamster wheel going round and round and round, and you're never going to get where you want to go. You're never going to see the end result to be what you want it to be. You're just going to keep seeing it as the hamster wheel. You keep going through getting the same results, the same results. Not enough, not enough. How many people out there are doing that? I try every week to give you good advice and good motivations and good mantras to use and follow. And a lot of the feedback I'm getting is, I love what you're saying, I love what you're doing, I just have a problem doing it. Is this you? Are you one of the thousands of people out there that is having a problem just doing it? So we have an intention. 9 out of 10 times people are saying, my intention is to be financially secure. My intention is to not worry about money. My intention is to get through this year with minimal damage, minimal collateral damage to my life, to my home, to my family, you know, whatever it is. This is just some things that we're hearing out there in the cyber world. So, know you have intentions. Know you have intentions. And what are your intentions saying about you? I mean, now, not tomorrow, not next week, not next year. What are your intentions for right now? Because what you intend right now and the emotions you have attached to that are what you're creating. Because right now is what is going to create tomorrow. It's going to create in the future. It's going to create that right now. So the steps you take right now, the action you do right now every day, is going to change your life, or it's going to keep you right where you're at. If you're happy where you're at, if you are financially secure, if you have the home of your dreams, if you have the lifestyle you want, if you have all of this, keep doing it. Do whatever you're doing to keep it motivated, to keep those emotions intact, in tune. So this is a mantra I want to help you. I want to give you help to maybe get you out of that loop of the hamster wheel And it's painless. It's a mantra. The thing is, you have to have emotion attached. If you don't have emotion attached to this, you're just going to keep going and going and going. And you'll keep saying it and nothing will ever happen because you aren't attaching the emotions of how it makes you feel to have this. So, this is true. This is so true. Ready? I want you to say this 6 times a day. I mean, say it with feeling. Say it out loud. Say it in your mind. Say it both ways. I want you to say this phrase. It is a phrase. It is not going to hurt you. It will grow you and it will keep growing you in every area of your life that you choose to have. So, the mantra is, ready? 6 times a day, guys. I am the source of my abundance. I am the source of my abundance. I am the source of my abundance. That phrase right there triggers the subconscious mind. It's quantum physics. It's been proven. Triggers the subconscious mind, which is the mind that gives us what we want. It triggers the subconscious mind to say, okay, she wants more abundance. He wants more abundance. Let's do that. Let's put this opportunity in front of them. Let's put this system in front of them. This system's going to make money. This is going to do that. This is going to happen there. The thing is, you have to take advantage. You have to take the action steps. When the universe puts this out there and it puts it in front of you, the universe will put out opportunities for you. It will put out strategies for you. It will put out systems. It will put out whatever steps you need to take. You have to do the work. Not only do you have to say this 6 times a day, and I mean say it forever. I don't mean say it for a week and then let it go. I mean make this part of your routine. Make this part of your life. When you do, you're going to find out that you're going to have real emotions coming from you that are a must. If you don't have emotions attached to what you want, you are manifesting and creating a life that you are not living the life you desire. You're living the life of your nightmare, and that's not acceptable. So believe and know there is no resistance. Believe in yourself and know that you are the source of all of your abundance by saying, I am the source of my abundance. I believe, I know there is no resistance. Sometimes I'll say those two phrases together. Sometimes I'll say them just separately throughout my day. As everyone knows, I have a boatload of mantras that are on my wall that I say throughout my days, throughout my life. Depends on what's going on in my life as to what emotion I attach. Okay? But each person out there, each one of us, creates our own reality. And people fall away from us for reasons. People fall away from us as we are growing. You're not going to grow into be that super wealthy person and keep the person that's holding you down, keep the person that's never going to make it, that's never going to respect what it takes to make the amount of money you're making. You're not going to keep those people around, and don't try. Let it go. Let it go. If you don't create the life of your dreams now, if you don't create it now, there won't be any tomorrow. There's no next year. There's no next month. There's no other time. It's what you do now, today, that will make a huge difference in your life. And attach emotion to it. And do it every single day. Like I say, I try to give you guys something that I know is working. I know it works, or I wouldn't put it out there. I wouldn't put out systems and strategies that I don't know work, because that would be wrong. I would never do that to you. So use this. I am the source of my abundance. I am the source of my abundance. Believe now. Believe. I believe now. There is no resistance. So you cannot have any resistance to what it is you're desiring, to what it is you're wanting. And I can give you a lot of different synopsises, a lot of different theories, but you know what you want to manifest. You know the life you want to live. It's your choice. It's your choice. Live that life, express yourself in that life, and spread it forward. Constantly keep going. Okay? Again, like I say, I try every single week to give you guys everything I can to help you to grow, to prosper. So I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I look forward to seeing what you're doing. Okay, guys. Later.